Have you ever noticed that when you turn on HDR on your Windows computer, your display suddenly looks washed out and dull? Do not worry, there is an easy fix. In this video, I will show you few settings you should change to make HDR look much better. Let's begin. First, go to Settings, then System and select Display. Choose your HDR display. Go to HDR settings. Now, click on HDR display calibration. If you do not already have the app, Windows will ask you to download it. To start the calibration, you need to turn on HDR. Open the app and click Get Started. You will now see a series of calibration screens. On the first screen, adjust the slider until the pattern is barely visible, then click Next. Do the same thing on the next two screens, which are for maximum luminance and maximum full frame luminance. Once that is done, you will get a saturation setting. This one comes down to personal preference, but I would recommend leaving it around 50% for a more natural looking image. Click Next, save the calibration as a profile and click Finish. That's it. Your HDR display is now calibrated. The next time you play HDR content, it should look much more balanced with better brightness and color without that washed out look. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.